Yeah, now can you talk us through your journey to kind of before you went to CSNN, like what was happening in your life?
So it's really funny. My journey is definitely not what I would call a typical path.
Okay, okay.
I mean, I started out right out of high school. I've always loved to cook. I've always loved food. I've always been a foodie. And I started right out of high school. Uh, I went to cooking school in Ottawa at Le Cordon Bleu.
Mhm.
Um, and I cooked in restaurants. I even had my own restaurant for a year. At what, like the ripe age of, it was 20 or 21. I was pretty young.
Okay.
Um, but then I ended up, after I closed my restaurant, I went back to school and I got my Bachelor of Business Administration at our local university. And in um, I worked with a engineering and non-destructive testing firm where they trained me in quality and health and safety.
Mhm.
Or they had me trained in it, and so it was really interesting because people look at me like, you know what, you went from cooking to quality
Mhm.
to now you're in holistic nutrition, right? How does this work? And it actually makes sense in a funny way because before I had kids, I was dealing with my own health and wellness issues, and I learned a lot about how what you have going on inside presents itself in surprising ways, right? So I was dealing with eczema on my hands and my legs at the time, and it was so bad that if I even like went like this, my hands would bleed. They looked like 80-year-old hands. Like I hated shaking hands, I hated wearing skirts or shorts or anything like that. And so that really helped me learn the importance of health and wellness, of what you put into your body, because I found out that it was a gluten and dairy allergy. And I'm also like chemical sensitive and stuff like that, right? So doing all of that really helped me learn the importance of health and wellness, especially nutrition. And then when my daughter was born, I was still working in corporate at the time. And when she was born, I remember looking at her like, you're a nice new little package. I know the power of nutrition for myself because I was working with a naturopath at the time. And I remember thinking, I don't want to screw you up. I want, you're nice and, like you're blank slate, right? I want you to be as healthy as possible. So most people will Google something,
Yeah.
but not me. I decide to go back to school and learn about natural nutrition.
Mhm.
Um, and so that basically brought me to CSNN.